rubbish in the right bins, there will be way less rubbish going to landfill, right? Also, did you know 80% of the rubbish that goes to landfill is not meant to be going to landfill? We also did a waste audit in the staff room in term 3, and this is what we found.
What could you do if you had 2 children in the same test level? Well, what I would do is make it double-sided so we don't waste paper. Maybe you should get a bigger paper bin in the resource room so you keep the rubbish back.
We want to help you get your habits back when it comes to putting your food in the wrong bin. So we've decided to offer you to help with your rubbish. So a clean lunchbox audit. Do you know the difference between rubbish and recycling? The numbers are for recycling are 1 to 5. Just look on the bottom of the food, and if you see one of the numbers recycling, but we noticed that you didn't have a recycling bin, so I would recommend to get one.
In conclusion, we think that your rubbish problems aren't too big.
Maybe by looking at the bin before putting it in will help.
So we think the ideas we have come up with might help with your problems. We look forward to seeing cleaner rubbish bins.